Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Being an agriculture centric country, India has developed a number of irrigation schemes, full stop, irrigation projects of Bhakra Nangal, Hirakud, Damodar Valley, Nagarjun Sagar and Indira Gandhi Canal have featured prominently in 5-year plan, full stop, paragraph change, the land area between Punjab and Brahmaputra Valley has abundant groundwater resources, full stop. The technology for identification of more aquifers can be developed further, as has been done in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, full stop. India also has more than 600 kilometer long coastline, full stop. Lagoons exist in the states of Kerala, Odisha and West Bengal, where the coastline is indented, full stop. This water, known as brackish water, is used for the cultivation of paddy, coconut, etc., and for fishing, full stop. Paragraph change. Unmindful use of groundwater has led to the lowering of the water table, full stop, excessive quantity of water used in irrigation increases soil salinity, comma, affecting the crops, full stop, paragraph change. Disputes also have arisen where water bodies are shared between two states and distribution of water is in question, full stop. For example, comma, in the absence of Kaveri agreement, comma, Karnataka developed some irrigation schemes, comma, which affected Tamil Nadu's rice delta, full stop, paragraph change. Hydroelectricity can solve a part of India's energy crisis, comma, triggered by hike in oil prices, full stop. It is generated by the use of gravitational force of falling or flowing water, full stop. It is the most widely used form of renewable energy, comma, with production in 150 countries, full stop, paragraph change. India has one of the greatest hydroelectric power potentials in the world, full stop. Bhakra Bias Management Board has installed a hydel power grid in North India, full stop. Hydroelectricity is cost effective, full stop. Once a hydroelectric complex is constructed, comma, no waste is produced and carbon dioxide emission is also less as compared to fossil fuel powered plants. Full stop. Stop.